Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my Domino Blast puzzle review. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. Domino Blast Puzzle is an early access money-making app. It's currently promising hundreds of dollars worth of real money for us to play it. So let's test it for ourselves and see if it's actually legit or not. Once you've installed this application, it's going to literally give you a pop-up saying that there's a 200% bonus reward. This pop-up never stops coming up. You're going to have to block it. This is the bounty task section. As you can see, we have in-game currency of coins there, and we have different tasks that will allow us to generate different rewards. Scrolling down here, you see if we watch an advertisement or play a certain amount of levels, we can earn coins. The main thing the application wants you to focus on is this coin-based currency system. Now, this is the main screen. It's easy enough to understand. Top left corner of the screen, you're going to have the real-world money value that you've earned. And on the right of that, you're going to have the coin-based currency system, which you'll earn for completing tasks and playing games through Domino Blast Puzzle. It actually has a rewarded playtime feature. There is also a diamond-based currency system where it says every time you watch an advertisement, you generate diamonds. Let me just collect today's reward. Just hit get, and there we go, everyone. Simple as that. Now you'll notice that I have $315 worth of cash. Let me play some levels on this game and show you how you can increase it. So this is what the level screen looks like. It's very, very easy, guys. All you do is literally tap on the little colored tiles and generate the stars at the top of the screen. Once you generate the stars, the level is then completed, which should hopefully give you your reward, which in this case is the cash. There we go. So now as you can see, a bonus reward has just appeared for $9. Apparently I can withdraw my cash once I reach $777. So let me just open the chest now. So that money has been applied to my account, and then an advertisement has appeared straight away. Now I've just earned some diamonds as well. What's interesting is that I have 63 diamonds, but it's saying every time I watch an ad, I have to wait till the next day to actually unlock those diamonds. And there we go. Now I've apparently unlocked $20, and I can double my diamond reward by watching an advertisement. So again, let's do that now. Alright, the advertisement has been watched, and now the diamonds have been applied to the account. Plus, it seems that I now have $41 as a reward instead of 20 or so. Then the next level will play automatically. According to this app, I've already earned about $40 to $60 within about 1 or 2 minutes. That's very, very questionable already straight off the bat, everyone. Okay, so now you know how the level system works, right? What I noticed with the cash on this app is that it has diminishing returns. So once you start off the app, you'll start earning hundreds of dollars worth of cash. But the closer and closer you get to that end amount, it will actually start reducing the amount of cash you win via the reward system. A very sneaky way to get you guys to watch more ads. Tapping on the get money symbol will take us to the playtime rewards area. This is what shocks me, guys. This application actually has a legitimate playtime rewards section where you can apparently earn these gold coins for playing various apps through this provider. Now, if you've ever played one of these money-making apps before, you're probably used to this kind of system. So in my head, when I saw this, I actually did have quite high hopes. But I did you guys the solid favor of actually trying it out. You'll notice that I played 2 separate games here and generated roughly about 2,600 coins. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the application's cash out page for the coin currency. You'll notice that it states that I can cash out right now with a balance of about 5,400 coins. This will allow me to cash out 30 cents. You can also cash out 50 cents for 10,000 coins, $1 for 20,000 coins, and $5 for 100,000 coins. By the way, because I watched advertisements, my wallet grew to 232 diamonds, while the piggy bank is completely separate and is storing my 63 diamonds until tomorrow. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the diamond cash out page. For 50 cents, I need 20,000 diamonds. For $1, I need 50,000 diamonds. For $5, I need 250,000 diamonds. And for $10, I need 500,000 diamonds. 2 advertisements roughly generated me 232 diamonds, as well as the 63 waiting in my piggy bank. So you can only imagine how many advertisements you would have to watch if you want to try and cash out through the diamond system. Managed to generate 5,400 coins that allows me to cash out 30 cents. Tapping on the withdraw now button prompts you to enter in your PayPal information. Again, high hopes here, okay? Because of that play playtime reward system, I really thought we were onto something. So I've just entered in the information now and watch what happens. Withdraw failed, please try again later. I've had this error message come up for at least 3 days now, everyone. This is a big problem and, in my opinion, completely shoots down the application's legitimacy. With the official contact email just being a standard Gmail account, I feel like we've just been scammed. As long as I saved you guys your time out there, that's the main thing. Check out my website for actual legitimate money-making applications and methods, and of course my YouTube channel. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, by the way, guys, so thank you so much. See you tomorrow.